Hi everyone, I'm back after a long break since I was busy moving to the UK. So today my dear friend and my bhabhi sent me this welcome gift all the way from London. Let's unbox this. I'm so excited. Look at them, so many cupcakes. So this is red velvet, this is rocky road, this one's carrot cake, cookies and cream, salted caramel, banoffee, and my favorite tiramisu. Thank you so much, Yasin and Olima Bhabhi.